In this lesson, we'll be looking at how to play the C major scales with both your left hand and right hand. It'll be a bit difficult for you to play, the scales with both hands if you're trying it for the first time. This is because you do not turn at the same time. So recall, when we are playing the C major with right hand, we turn at F, right? And when we turn, we put our thumb beneath the third finger, and the thumb goes to F. So we turn from E to F. I need to do a turn for right hand. After that, no more turns for your right hand if you're playing one octave. But for your left hand, you're going to turn at A. So after you reach the thumb, then you place your third finger above the thumb. Then you go to B, then you go to C. So in other words, right, the turn occurs from third to fourth note or the E to F, for your right hand. But for the left hand, the turn occurs from the fifth to the sixth note or from G to A, in your left hand. So one way of being familiar with this turn is by breaking down these scales into parts and getting familiar. So we know that after I play up to my third finger for right hand, I will need to turn. So I put my thumb beneath the third finger and go to F, right? While the left hand doesn't turn. So let's practice by playing C to G. So when you're going to play C to G, no turn for your left hand because it's just 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright? But for your right hand, once you reach E, you need to do a turn. So let's practice, playing from C to G, and we are going to turn from E to F. Alright? So start on the thumb or finger ring number 1, for C on your right hand, and the fifth finger or finger ring 5 on your left hand. So let's go. Remember, for right hand, when you reach E, after E, you need to turn. So 3, 1. So there's 1, 2, 3, 1. For left hand, from C to G, no turn. So let's do it together. Turn for your right hand. So let's practice this again. So once you are familiar with this turn, for your right hand, let's continue. So recall that we will play, we turn from E to F for your right hand. Then now, once you reach G, from G to A, your left hand needs to do a turn. So 1, 3, right? Then once your left hand does a turn, it will just continue. No more turn. Alright? So, and for the right hand, because you have turned at F already, you can just continue with the rest of your fingers until you reach C. So there's no more turn. You just need to remember you are going to turn here for your left hand from G to A. So now let's play from C to A. So remember, from E to F, your right hand needs to do the turn. And from G to A, your left hand needs to do a turn. So let's do it together, with both hands, starting from C. From E to F, your right hand needs to turn. Then from G to A, your left hand needs to turn. Let's practice this again. Turn for your right hand. Now turn for your left hand. Right? So practice this until you are familiar. Once you're familiar, we can do the descending. So ascending. Now we are going to do the descending. So for the descending, the left hand will turn first, and it will turn from A to G. So recall when we do the ascending for left hand, we turn from G to A. Okay, so now when we are descending, we are going to turn from A to G. So A is on the third finger, and I'm going to put my thumb beneath my third finger, okay, onto G to do the turn. Alright, so let's do this. So for the right hand, it does nothing all the way to F. So I'm going to play, so let's practice from C to F first. Okay, we know that do nothing for your right hand. You're just going to play from C to F without any turn. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on your right hand. But for your left hand, you are going to do a turn from A to G. So at A is third finger. At G, you are going to put your thumb beneath the third finger and go to G. Okay, so let's do it together. Okay, C, B, A, then A to G, your left hand needs to turn. Okay, so you put your thumb beneath your third finger for your left hand. Okay, then play G now. Okay, so now let's play C to F. Okay, a descending scale from C to F. Okay, and just remember, only the left hand needs to turn from A to G. So let's try it. Let's do it again. Okay, once you're familiar with this, okay, let's move on to after F. So now you have used up all the fingers on your right hand and you want to play E. So to do so, you need to put your third finger above the thumb to do the turn. So from F to E, your right hand is going to turn. Okay? Then for your left hand, do nothing because there are enough fingers to go to C. So it's just 3, 2, 1 to C for your left hand. So let's do it now. Okay? So thumb on F. Then you need to do a turn for your right hand. Okay? Okay, with the third finger on E. Then B, then C. Okay, so now let's do the descending scale together. So remember that for your right hand, you need to make a turn from for your left hand, okay, it will turn first. So it will turn from A to G. So to do the turn from A to G for your left hand, you will place your thumb beneath your third finger, and this thumb should go to the note G. Alright? And for your right hand, the turn only occurs at F to E. So to do the turn from F to E, okay, F is played with the thumb on your right hand, and you will place your third finger above your thumb onto E, okay, to do this turn from F to E. Alright, so now let's do the descending scale together. So remember, it's the left hand that turns first from A to G. So to do the turn, you put your thumb beneath the third finger and onto G. Okay, now it is the right hand that needs to do the turn from F to E. So to turn from F to E for the right hand, you place the third finger above your thumb onto E on your right hand. Then you play E, B, C. Alright, let's do the descending scale together. Okay. So C, B, A, turn for your left hand. Now F to E, turn for your right hand. Alright, so now that we have learned both the ascending and the descending scale, okay, with both hands, let's play them together slowly. So recall for ascending, okay, my right hand will turn first from E to F. Okay, so E will be on the third finger, and I need to put my thumb beneath the third finger to do the turn to F for the right hand. Okay, for the ascending scale for your left hand, okay, the turn only occurs from G to A. So after playing G with the thumb, I'm going to place my third finger above G onto A to do the turn for my left hand. For descending scale, okay, I will turn with my left hand first. The turn occurs in the left hand first from A to G. So A is played with the third finger, and I will need to put my thumb beneath the third finger onto G to do the turn. For the right hand, for the descending scale, okay, the turn occurs from F to E. So F is on the thumb, and E, I need to put my third finger above the thumb to go to E. Alright, so now let's do the C major scale together with both hands. So C, D, E, turn for your right hand first. F, G, now turn for your right hand, for your left hand, A, B, C. Then descending, B, A to G is a turn for your left hand, G, then F to E is a turn for your right hand, then E, B, C. Okay, let's play the scale together with both hands. So it is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1 when you ascend. Okay, for ascending is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Alright? So you will turn after G. So after the thumb, you need to turn. So to turn, we are going to use the third finger to play A. So to do so, you are going to place the third finger above your thumb and go to A. So let's try it together. C on your fifth finger, D on your fourth finger, E on your third finger, F on your second finger, G on your thumb. Then do a turn by placing your third finger above your thumb. So A on your third finger, B on your second finger, C on your thumb. So now that we have done the ascending, let's do the descending. So for descending, you are going from C all the way to the C. So starting from middle C with your thumb. So thumb, 1, 2, 3, then you turn. Now, when you want to turn, your thumb goes beneath your third finger. Okay, then F on the second finger, E on the third finger, D on the fourth finger, C on your fifth finger. Alright, let's do the C major scale together. C on your fifth finger, D on your fourth finger, E on your third finger, F on your second finger, G on your thumb. Do a turn by bringing your third finger above the thumb, and your third finger should now lie above A. Okay, third finger on A, then B on your second finger, then C on your thumb. Now let's do a descending. B on your second finger, A on the third finger. Do a turn by putting your thumb beneath your third finger, and now your thumb goes to G. Then F on your second finger, E on your third finger, D on your fourth finger, C on your fifth finger. Alright? Okay, so let's do the left hand now. So I'm going to say out the finger rings, okay, while playing the C major scale. So let's start with the fifth finger on C. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then do a turn learn by placing your third finger above your thumb and go to A. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, practice playing the C major scale. Once you're familiar, you can try to play a bit faster.